Dear audience, welcome to Learn with Rabi YouTube channel. Hopefully get today. Now, logo design. We are 3D logo design create now. This time. Thank you. Let's get started. At first, ellipse tools use shape alter. Okay. And same ellipse tools copy and paste in font. And now right and drag shift. Okay. Select these two ellipse tools and shape builder tools. All key minus. Okay. And color gray color and stock off. Now this 3D logo. Effect 3D and position font prosperative 160 degree. Okay. And expand appearance. Right click ungroup, right click ungroup to ungroup this check. This positions site logo and united same to united. Okay. Now this color choice we are big size, good looking. Okay. Class gradients all black similar color and retail same listener that's good and first all red second all Mirinda color and color by deep. Okay. And select this similar and eyedropper tool use same color. Okay, two colors same. Okay, now this color main logo color use. Okay, and listener to redial. This side is back is very hardly, so normal hard we are looking same to but color is okay. Beautiful color. And now right now new collections added ellipse tool use and only middle shape alter. Okay. And color doing the color the red or select this similar to small and select this arrange to send to back. Okay. Now write new ellipse tool use shape alter. Okay. And white similar to white opacity 0. Okay, right now. Okay, select this. Okay, Now let's large and shadow this 3D. Alter, alter, and select this and ship builder to leaves. Alter, alter, cutout. Select this and color dot. Okay, and transfer color. Control Z. Okay, and set. Okay, now copy, edit, copy, edit, font page, and transform, reflect, horizontal. Okay, now same to size and arrange to font. Now this. Okay. Hmm. Complete a 3D logo design. Now write a text